Hey there everyone, how's it going out there? I wanted to show you one of my really cool brushes that I have. It's one of my favorites, but probably not for the reason that you think. But this is my hairbrush diversion safe by StashIt that specializes in making diversion safe products. I've had it for about 5 months now, and prior to it, I would pretty much, I would have some of my valuables or money or, whatever, just kind of out and about and not somewhere safe. So, went online, Google is my friend, and then I found this really cute diversion safe hairbrush. And as you can see, it looks like any other brush. It works like any other brush, and it's recommended that you use it a couple times. As you can see, even there's a little bit of my hair in there because I wanted to use it to make it look as though it is just a regular brush. But what it does, okay, I screwed it too tight. What it does, the top screws off here, and it is a cute little safe stash area. This just has my USB in there. It's good for like if you have a USB that has personal information on it. You can roll up your money, stash it in there. Any other like small products, little gadgets, watches, jewelry, anything that might fit in there that you also want to keep safe and pretty much hide in plain sight, as they say. So like, say for instance, I had this in here and I just put it in there like that for demonstration purposes. But like, if I had my USB in there, or say a ring or something, and someone picks this up, they're gonna kind of, see, you can hear it, they're gonna kind of get, wait a minute, this isn't just a regular brush, there's something in there. And then after a while, they're gonna kind of freaking figure it out. So you definitely don't want to call attention that there's something on the inside. And that's where this little baggie comes in. It comes with your brush, and it just opens up, and then I could put my ring in there, or my USB, or what have you. Then put that in the safe. Screw it back on. Nope, not like that. Screw it back on. And there you go. No rattle, just looks like a plain old brush. No movement or nothing, which is what you want. Like, I really got this because I like to hide things in plain sight, because thieves, they're quite intelligent and quite cunning, and they will figure out where you hide your stuff and the places that most people hide their things. And the typical thief isn't going to, well, first off, even if they do, like, a lot of them don't know about these different products, but then they also don't want to freaking take the time to go to everyone's hairbrush, everyone's deodorant, everyone's books. There's just all kinds of different diversion products. Like, they're not going to think, let me check and see if this is a hairbrush. So if you have this in your hotel room and you have things hidden, housekeeping, isn't going to know. Or, you're in your home and someone breaks in. Or if, you have it in your purse and a thief happens to take your purse, they, snatch out money, whatever, valuables, good stuff they can find, and then just toss everything else. I've seen that happen a lot, where they'll take everything, and then everything of value, but then just flop down your purse and everything else. They're not going to think that this hairbrush is anything, and they're going to leave it with the rest of your stuff, and yay, you had your money in there, or you had your rings in there, or, just whatever, it's in there and it's safe because they had no idea. It is very, very good for at home and on the go. if you have a big purse or something like I do, or in your luggage, your carry-on or whatever, this will go along with you just like any old regular hairbrush. And the safe size on the inside is 1.25 inches wide and 4.5 inches deep. It fits about 30 rolled bills, although I haven't tested that theory, but that's what it says. The brush is actually, it's a functional brush. It brushes really well, and the brush bristles are made of boar hair. And this product, interestingly enough, became first available September 2nd of 2016, which I thought that was very interesting that they had that information on there, and that it's still pretty new product. And it's so cute. I absolutely love it. I love it for multiple reasons, and I've had it for 5 months. It still looks brand new. Wipes off easily. Can easily, you know, just take the hair out just like you would with any other brush. Fully functional. And the company name is StashIt, and they offer like a wide range of different diversion, safe, and travel products. So just a really cool company. I've gotten several things from StashIt that are just like really cool, that help to hide my valuables in plain sight, that can stay at home and also travel around with me. So really, really cool company. It's very durable. Of course, you don't want to go slamming it anywhere, but it's made of a very hard plastic, very durable, not flimsy or anything like that, so you don't have to worry about easy breakage, so it's not fragile. And really, that is it. So definitely, you might want to check out a hairbrush diversion safe for yourself. You will definitely be very happy that you did.